Here comes this super gentle little flower bracelet. Insert 6 beads. Reinsert all the beads. Tie some knots. Pass through 1 bead. Add 1 gold bead. Pass the bead across. Add a golden bead. Add to beads, lobster claw and to beads. Cross the thread. Come to this white bead. Add a purple bead. Add 4 beads. Pass through 1 bead. Pass the next bead. Reinsert the bead 3 times. Pass the bead to the top of the bead. Add a bead. Pass a white bead. Add 5 beads. Make it round by crossing the thread. Repeat the same steps to get the appropriate length.